Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, It's Mikhil. So guys, this is the video related to the email writing series which we kicked off during the last time. So this is in continuation with all the parts right from 1, 2, 3 through 6. So in this video basically we're gonna learn about how to write an email for applying to a job. So let's have a quick glance of what we discussed last time. So we discussed all the contents and the reason we need to write emails, the email template, and I promised that I'm gonna start with the series of all the sample work related emails, real-time practical examples. So in this video we're gonna learn about how to apply for a job. When I say how to apply for a job, I'm not teaching you how to actually apply for a job, but I'm telling you how to write an email to apply for a job. So let's take this scenario wherein you saw a job offer and you find it attractive and you want to apply for that job. Let's say you have seen the job offer over LinkedIn or any other website of that particular company. So in ideal scenario, we may have any company and we may see that job in any website or newspaper or be it anything. So always remember that whenever you get to see such offer, don't just blindly write them in email and giving all the required details, because there might be some fraudulent job offers also. Okay, so once you think that you have seen the job offer from a genuine platform, then go ahead and write the email to that particular recruiter or the HR of that company. So in my example, as I considered last time, I'm gonna apply for a company called ABC and I'm gonna write my email to a recruiter named Mr. Sam. So diving into my screen, this is the same email ID which we created during my first video, guys. So today I'm gonna apply for a role of software engineer at a company ABC. Okay, so wherever, as I mentioned earlier, I mentioned in the bracket like company name, that is completely to your discretion. So whatever company you're applying to, you can mention that company's name. Okay, so here I'm a software engineer applying at company ABC for the role of software engineer and for the role of Java certified specialist. Okay, so guys, here before proceeding, I want to make few points to you guys before actually diving deep into the mail. Okay, so whenever you apply or whenever you write anything for a company, especially an application of a job, keep in mind that your subject line is very important. Okay, so in your subject line, if you have seen here, I have mentioned my core strength. So if you have seen here, I mentioned Java certified specialist seeks software engineer position at this company. So as soon as the recipient sees this mail in his inbox, he will get to see a one-liner called Java certified specialist saying seeks Java software engineer, which will give him an idea saying that, hey, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so if you begin writing with your email, in the introduction part, what we have mentioned is if I just need to get if I need to read this email, how would I read? So I've written, I have recently learned about an exciting opportunity at ABC for the position of software engineer. You advertised on, it's better to give them the resource name, whatever or wherever you found that opportunity from. It's good, it will help them improving their own sources. And then I mentioned that going through the same, I believe that my qualifications and experience match your specifications almost exactly. So this is something which is very important. So this will give an idea to the recruiter that, hey, whatever qualification and eligibility criteria you have mentioned in the job description, I satisfied them almost exactly. Okay, because there might be few cases that, for example, if they're requiring an experienced guy for, let's say, about 3.5 years, and if you have an experience of around 3 years, you cannot say that I match exactly the same, but it's almost the same, right? So it's good to, be on the safe side and write this line that match your specifications almost exactly. Then what do I do? Then I write that please take a moment to review my attached application documents. So of course you're applying for a job and it's by default, that you have to maintain resume, right? So it's always good to let the recruiter know that, hey, for your reference, I've attached my up-to-date resume. Because people, few of them, they have the resume made, ages before, and they tend to send that to each and every company they apply to. So it's better to mention that you have updated your resume. That will also give an idea to the recruiter that he need not send you an additional mail asking you to send an updated resume. Okay, so I write this explicitly that my resume is updated. And then few companies also ask for a customized cover letter. So it's completely optional. So what customized cover letter says that, it gives an additional it will support your document already. So whatever company you are currently working in, say XYZ company you're currently working in, and if your company has given you any cover letter saying that whatever I'm applying, like whatever my name is, for example Mikhil, so Mikhil is working in our company from so and so time to so and so time. So that will add on to your existing set of documents, whatever you're giving to the recruiter, saying that I'm a genuine guy, I'm not any fraudulent job seeker. Okay, then I write, it would be a sincere pleasure to hear back from you soon to discuss this exciting opportunity. So you are ending your email in the conclusion part. You're ending your email, as I always say, that it is always necessary to give an action item, right? So I'm giving the action item to the recipient saying that, hey, I like this opportunity. Let's discuss it whenever you get time. You're letting the recruiter know that you're interested in this opportunity, and I'm also interested in hearing back from him. And then I would end my I would end my email with the signature which we already have prepared last time, right? So this is what is I would say a very crisp email and a strong email, or a strong job application email to be precise. We have started right away with our introduction. We started like, we got this opportunity, as like, I'm interested in this opportunity and I want to work with you, and I see that my qualifications match. And then I say them that I've updated all my required documents over this mail, and you can view them. And I'm letting him know that I'm expecting his reply. This is really a crisp and a beautiful job application, guys. So you can edit them as and when you like. You can edit this email sample, and I've drafted this email already for you guys so that it shouldn't be time consuming. And this is, trust me, this is something which I, as a job applicant or job aspirant, I would definitely I would write to any recruiter. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, you can comment down below in the comment section, and if you haven't seen my previous videos, I've also added them in the description. You can click them and watch them again, and stay tuned in this email writing series. We have lots more in store in the coming videos. Okay guys, so that's it from this video, and I'm sure that this is gonna help you somehow in your career, in your job application. And if you really like the video, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until then, stay tuned with YouKnowIt'sMikhil. Thank you so much. Be kind and spread love. Thank you.